Number 22, actually 22 this time. We're giving two triangles and we're trying to complete these inequalities to the right of it. And the way we can do that is by filling in the information. We're given 2/3 of the triangle's information, so I can confidently say that we can figure out what the missing angles are going to be. So we could use logic for this, but let's not. Let's just use a quick little trick. So a triangle equals 180. We're missing one side, so the quick trick you could use is 180 minus 76 minus 42. This has to be 62 degrees. Then again, we have 65, 44. So you could do 180 minus 65 minus 44 would give you 71 degrees. So now we can compare the sides and see what we have. So WZ, let's use purple or pink to highlight WZ, and then let's use green for YZ or XZ. So what is this relationship? So what we have is from WZ, this is related to 62 degrees, and then we have XZ, which is related to XZ, which is related to, does that make sense? Which is related to 76 and 71. Looking at this problem, 100% W or XZ is going to always be longer, but how does this make sense? Because 76 is not going to be the same as that. Let me just see if I did the math right. 180 minus 65 minus 44, that's 71. Then they gave us the other triangle, which was 180 minus 62 minus 42. Yeah, that's right. So that means that we have the length, which would be projected from either here or here, but it doesn't really matter. XZ is always going to be longer. And then from here we have XY being compared to YZ. So XY, I can use this. We have XY. XY is being compared to YZ. So XY is projecting from, let me use the yellow to show this, it's being projected from 44 degrees. And then YZ is being projected from, YZ is being projected from 65 degrees. So what we have here is that 65 is greater, so we have that as greater. XY is less than YZ. And then finally we have XZ like YZ. So we have YZ already done. XZ, do we have that one? We do. So it's going to be the green versus YZ, which is which one? I used orange. So XZ was either 76, it's between 76 and 71, and YZ is only going to be 65. Therefore, we have XZ has to be greater than YZ.